And we have the car of the day. This is the 2024 Toyota Tacoma double cab. And I know, guys, right now it looks like crap. And we are doing, this is the salsa color. This is the brighter red, kind of the neon red. And this particular vehicle, it has cooling and heating that we're going to be doing today. And the kit, the leather upholstery kit features double diamond with a cooling and heating option. It means it breathes, so it can blow air from the original system in the Tacoma with a black stitch. All the stitches are black, perforated combo. And guys, we have all these kits in different colors, different configurations for your Toyota's Tacomas, the double cab or the crew cab. And let's take a look at the vehicle. This is the 2024 Tacoma. And this was already with the so-called soft text, which our clients call it fake text. My understanding is there is not a single vehicle made by Toyota in this year that it really contains leather. They all have this synthetic fake leather. It's called soft text, the fake text. Prefer word for my clients. And guys, this one already have the system for cooling and heating. This is what our kit is gonna be replacing, cooling and heating. And obviously, we're gonna be changing the color. This is gonna be interesting. It has already some blue there, so we're gonna go with a red interior with black stitching. And let's take a look at the back. Rear section right here. And guys, visit leathertech.com. You can buy the kits right there or go to upholsterytechnology.com. We have plenty of options. We ship to the 48 continental states for free. We can ship basically anywhere, but for free is for the 48 continental states. And any configuration, we have more than 60 colors, combinations, piping, stitching, you name it. We carry everything. And guys, wait for me to complete this installation so you can see how beautiful the new leather seats are gonna look in this truck. Real leather, not the cheap, fake text that Toyota put in this truck. That's what clients are taking this off. They're horrible. Nobody likes it. And you should not settle for such a kind of interior. Get leather, real leather at leathertech.com. Or go directly to EM Upholstery Technology or bring the truck right here to us. We can do the professional installation for you at very, very low cost. See you guys in the next video.